What's up, everybody? It's been a while. It's been such a long time that I don't even know how to make an intro. I have to do something like this is awkward. I have to break the ice. I'm gonna cut right into this video. So, we're in lockdown, we're quarantining, the barber shops are closed. We still work, so we do have to look decent and not entering the room like Salam alaikum, Allahu Akbar. It's for our clients or for the people you work with. You have to look decent and clean. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up my face and look decent, and show you guys what equipments I use, like the normal equipments. I don't have like barber stuff and shit, so it's a DIY home video. First things first, I'm sorry for this bad quality. It's because of the lighting. My home light thing broke 2 years ago, so I've been spending 2 years in my room without any light. Also, I have these that also collapsed, and what I'm currently using is my desk lamp. Anyway, I'm promise I'm gonna purchase some good lighting. Okay, so before everything, this is not a sponsored video, but I bought this one by accident. Like, I had no idea. I went to the store. I needed the trim and to shave, and I have no experience. I have no knowledge about these things, but this one was like one of the cheapest ones. Brown. So it's a brown all-in-one trimmer. It's like 40 euros or 30 euros, maybe 50. I'm not sure. This is what helped me. They show you what clipper does what. So here's my vision, alright? So trim a little bit from here, because it's not like the same length. Like some pieces are like longer than the others. Clean the bottom. The sides, obviously. The mustache, because it looks horrible, like some hairs are like so we got to fix that. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this, but this hair right here is horrible. So this one here is a long beard, so we need to grab that clipper. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna start at the side because I'm nervous. If I screw up in the middle, this is not gonna be a video. It's gonna be a prank. I feel like we made it more equal, right? You guys see that? This is great. This is great. Now, because we didn't do like the bottom and the sides, it doesn't pop up like it looks clean, you know. So you have to do the rest. How I clean my bottom, I do it first with just this, and then doing it with this. So most things I'm about to say are almost like, duh, but before you use this, use like shaving gel or shaving foam. If you don't have that, use shampoo or soap or water. By the way, this is a tip you probably haven't heard. Don't shave after you ate food, because the food goes through your body and through your blood, and when you get a cut, it bleeds more than when you have not eaten yet. I know nobody told you this. So it's a bit red, it's fine. The sides, are cleaner. And now the most important part is the mustache and this part right here. So for the mustache, I bring them all the way down above my lips. And then with this, I try to go like boom, 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 just above my lip. This part is most getaway, but how I do it is I do boom, see that, and then bam, boom, bam, until I feel like, okay, it looks alright. Just grab some scissors and then freestyle it. I don't know, it's short. Okay, now for this part, I'm kind of scared. I know I'm gonna wear a cap since I can't go to the barber, but I'm just trying to. I'm just trying. I think this is not a good idea. This is not a good idea. Well, if you screw up one side, you have to also screw the other side. So I'm sorry, that was really stupid of me. I don't have a before and after pic or video, but it kind of looks clean, alright? Boom, boom. So this was just a quick random video just to break the ice. I am gonna be back on YouTube. I am gonna make the same random stuff I always made, whether it's reaction, lifestyle, vlogs, skits, whatever I have in mind. This year I'm gonna do the walk the talk and not talk the talk, if that makes sense. So I'm not gonna promise you guys things. I'm just gonna do them and let the action speak for itself. So yeah, see you guys on the next one, I guess, right? I really need to change that outro, huh?